Have you seen this cool action figure popping up all over social media? Today I'm showing you how to do exactly that with ChatGPT. And yes, it's totally free. Step 1. Upload your photo to ChatGPT. It could be a selfie, a styled portrait, anything that shows you from head to toe. Step 2. Ask ChatGPT to create an action figure toy version of it by entering your desired prompt. Or you could even ChatGPT to create prompts for you. In the prompt, you could include accessories, pose, packaging, and even give it a cool name like Not Your Regular Pilot. Step 3. Let ChatGPT work its magic. In few minutes, you'll have a custom action figure image ready to post.